Namaskar to one and all. I am Mamta Lakshmi, working as a pre-primary teacher in Bharati Jaban School, Tadepelgodu. Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are very happy. Yes? Okay. Last video, I have shown you the different fruit trees. Now, in this class, I want to teach you the different fruits and their spellings. These are the fruits, children. This is a banana. This is a guava. This is a papaya. This is a mango. And these are grapes. Now, let us learn the spellings of the fruits. Come to me. This is an apple. Now, children, let me first say the spelling of the apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Once again, children. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Now, this is a banana. See the spelling, children. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. This is an orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. This is a guava. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. This is a cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. This is a mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. These are grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. And last one, children. This is a papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Once again, children, I'll say all the spellings. Repeat along with me. A-P-P. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Children, let us learn the names of fruits. N-A-M-E. Name. N-A-M-E. Name. S-O-M-E. Some. S-O-M-E. Some. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Name some fruits. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. A-N-D-End. 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 P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Name some fruits. Apple, banana, orange, guava, cherry, mango, grapes and papaya. Children, in this way you have to write the 4 lines. Look here, this is the 4 rule paper. Now see how I will write. N-A-M-E, name. Give finger gap, children, and write S-O-M-E, sum. Again give finger gap and write F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Name some fruits. Now, this is the full stop. You have to put full stop here at the last. Now, see how to write. Write the spelling of apple first. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Now, you have to put a comma here, like this. B-A-N-A, banana. Again, comma. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, comma. G-U-A-V-A, guava, comma. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry, comma. M-A-N-G-O, mango, comma. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. You have to give finger gap and you have to write A-N-D, and. Again you give finger gap and write P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya, and last you put full stop. This is the way you have to write the names of fruits, children. You write 2 times in your 4 rule book. Okay, children? Now I'll show you how to draw the fruits. Children, you can take a plain white paper or you can draw in the 4-line book also. Now, first you have to read the heading. See. D-R-A-W, draw. D-R-A-W, draw. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Draw the fruits. D-R-A-W, draw. T-H-E, the. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Draw the fruits. See, children, how to draw an apple. Look like this. Like this you write M first. Next you write U. Put a handle up. And this is the way you have to draw an apple. Next, how to draw a mango, you see. First write T. Next you write C. Curve. You draw a curve. And in this way you write. First you have to draw T, children. Then you have to draw a curve. And next you have to draw reverse S. This is a mango. Now how to draw the banana, you see. First you draw straight line. Again sleeping line. And just you draw like this. And at the up like this. Here. Yes. This is a banana. Now I'll tell you how to draw cherries. First you draw a sleeping line. And slant lines you draw like this. One circle here and another circle here. These are cherries. Now last I'll teach you how to draw the grapes. Again the same sleeping line. Again straight line. You draw a small circle here. Attach to this and you draw one more circle this side. And this side you draw to this side you draw one more circle. Now you attach these 2 circles and you draw one more circle. In the same way, these 3 circles you attach and you draw one more circle. At the last, these two circles you attach and you draw. Like this. Go. Okay, children? These are grapes. Children, now I have taught you how to draw the fruits. Apple, mango, banana, cherries, grapes. Okay, children? Do the worksheet number 3 in the same way as I have shown you the name some fruits and draw the fruits. Okay? Keep loving children. Bye.